Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. Okay, so a couple days ago I was in desperate need of a mechanics tool set. I didn't have time to order one on Amazon. Went to a couple tool places and they didn't really have any that I needed. Something this big, one that I can just buy and be done with. So I found the Duralast 180 tool set for $160 from AutoZone, and I decided, hey, let's give this thing a whirl. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy unboxed. Like I said, it was about 160 bucks, so this thing is not cheap. I never really bought anything of Duralast, so I decided let's give it a whirl. Let's give them a chance, let's not judge. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Now, there are 4 latches, not 2. As you can see here, this thing will not open, and I just decide to force it open and break the 2 latches, which are on the left and the right. I appreciate that there's 4. But I didn't see it, and I'm a dummy, so I just went ahead and busted it open and ended up breaking the latches on the left and the right. Now, luckily, the 2 front ones are still in good shape, so it'll still lock in place. So just give me a minute here, and you'll see me snap that and then mess everything up. So as I get this open, I'm just going to go through. I'm just going to name out some of the stuff this thing has. It pretty much has everything you need that I would need except for a ratchet extender that's long. Now, I have one of those already, but it would have been cool if this came with it. You know what I mean? That's something that I think a toolkit of this size should have. But everything else I needed. I just needed a star or a hex or whatever, but a T40. That's what I was looking for, that attached to a ratchet, and that's exactly what this set had, so that's cool. At the end of the video, I'll show myself using that. So let me just go through here and show you what kind of things it has. Let's see. I got a whole page of this stuff because there's 160 of them. Now you got all your classic wrenches you're going to need from sizes, I believe, 4 to 12, and then all the other ones you're going to need as well, just your standard one. But let me go through here and just tell you guys what it has. You got your 72 tool push button ratchet. You have 3 of these things. That's not too bad at all. You got your drive extensions, your drive adapters, your drive standard metric sockets, your drive deep metric sockets, your drive deep SAE sockets, your drive standard metric sockets, your drive spark plug sockets for both the big and the small one, the 5/8 and the 13/16. You got your nut settlers, your drive metric nut settlers, your drive Torx bit sockets. I mean, this thing goes on and on. You got your drive Phillips bit sockets, your drive metrics hex bit sockets. You got your metric folding key hex set, your folding key hex set, your tamper-proof torque folding hex set. You got 20 assorted bits, 4-in-1 screwdriver with keychain point, 72 tooth ratchet, provides 5 degrees of ratcheting arc, so that's cool. It has forged alloy steel, heat treated for superior durability and strength. Has a quick release button on the head of the ratchet, that's really cool. And the sockets feature off-corner loading to prevent rounding of fasteners, which is really cool. And this thing states, the Duralast 180-piece mechanic tool set offers a wide variety of drive ratchets, sockets, and accessories that cover almost any automotive application, except for the long attachment, like I said. Every tool has been included to increase access, durability, and strength, from the 5-degree arc swing provided with the 72 tool ratchet to the lead-in sockets. This set has everything needed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. So, we'll see. So, as you can see, I'm just going through showing you guys, if you would like to purchase one of these, you can or can't. I just wanted to show you, give you a heads up on everything that this thing has. You can see here just the pieces I'm grabbing, the extension pieces. Those right there are the spark plugs. You got both of them, large and small. I don't even know what those the name of those things are, but that's cool that it could attach to the wrench. the little attachment piece here. This is the one where I wanted it to be a little bit longer. I like the short one, but most mechanics need a longer one. I forget the size that you typically need. You have your screw drive and some of your hex, your Allen wrenches, star wrench set, and then all along the sides you have your sockets. As far as quality goes, they feel really good. It's not the best feel I've had, but also not the worst. Now, these are the ones that I really liked right here. These things are the ones that I'm going to be using, and they come with it ratchet already attached. So, like I said, that's why I bought this thing, and as you'll see in the video, this thing works really good. And the ratchets themselves feel really nice. They feel good just by hand. So I definitely feel like this is going to last me quite a while, probably a lifetime. And the price wasn't too bad. The one I bought at home was about 220 bucks. I think that was from Crescent. Don't quote me, but I actually really love that set. So that's about everything we have here. In a minute, I'm going to go ahead and swing over and show you guys what this thing looks like in action. So I'll be right back. Alright, so the reason why I got this set was to try to pull these off here. These little star size 40. So I got the ratchet. This already came with, was really cool. It already came with a 40 star screw attached to the ratchet. So let's do it and see if I can get this out of here. Okay. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's so easy. This is awesome. I needed to move this in another area of my ProMaster. Sweet. Now, I'm going to move this thing over. I want to show you guys the back of the truck. This is our Tommy Gate lift gate that we did ourselves. I should have did a video on that. This thing has been working really well. We're actually going to tighten the screws up a little bit up top over there, if you can see. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and move that over to one of these other locks. But everything looks good so far. The Duralast toolkit, like I said, it's not the best toolkit you're going to find out there, but it's obviously not the worst. And the tools look pretty decent to me. So I'm going to try these out. If I have any issues, I'll film a new video. But so far, so good. And like I said, about $160. But thank you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will do an update video if there's any problems, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.